Setting up a home business? Check out these tips. Owning a home business has many advantages. You will be able to work at your own pace and at a schedule you set for yourself. Finding a business which will be profitable and one in which you will excel can be the hard part. Of course, most businesses take some capital to get started, too. If you run a business out of your home, don't miss out on tax deductions for office equipment. If you buy a piece of equipment, such as a computer or desk, that is only or primarily used for business functions, you can claim 100% of the cost of that item as a tax deductible the year it was purchased. Write off your workspace. If you can create a dedicated room for your home office, you can write it off as a business expense. This covers a percentage of all costs, including mortgage or rent payments, utilities and insurance. Calculate the square footage of the area you use compared to the total square footage of your house, and divide the bills accordingly. Be careful though, the IRS will look closely at this type of expense. Invest in a toll-free number for your home business. An 800 number makes your business look larger, established and professional to customers. It also gives you a way to separate business calls from personal calls so you can turn off your business at the end of the day and make time for family. Once you decide to start a home business, you need to get online. It is essential that you choose the right host for your site. The first thing you need to do is figure out what your needs are. Do you want a simple HTML site, or do you plan on including features such as a discussion board, a database and e-commerce? Your hosting company must support all of the features you need at a reasonable price. If, despite your best efforts, your company is not successful, this doesn't mean you should give up on the idea of a home business. Cut your losses with your current business, reanalyze your personal budget, and look at other opportunities on the market. Very few first businesses are completely successful. Participate in trade shows that focus on your particular product or service. Trade shows provide a great way to network with others in your industry. It is also an effective way to promote your business to many potential customers by providing you with a setting to demonstrate your product or service. If your ideas for a home business stem from a specific passion, look around your workshop for items that can be used to propel your products. You may find that your creative solutions to past problems can be used to spin your products or business in an innovative way. There are also some disadvantages to owning a home business, with the most obvious one being that there are no guarantees. You will need to have some money to get started and also, money to live on while your business gets off the ground. Once your business is up and running, you may find it takes many more hours than you had anticipated. Student loan.